Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss another topic from the nervous system disorders, that is Parkinson disease, which is a movement disorder. So let's begin. Parkinson disease is a movement disorder marked by tremor, rigidity, slow movement, and posture instability. Parkinson's disease persons slowly lose control of movement, such as swallowing down and walking along with tremor or shaking, and decreasing ability to move body parts. Types are: number first is sporadic. This type of mutation involves unknown environmental factors in combination with genetic defects, and the type is the mutated gene will form an altered end product or protein, causes abnormalities in specific areas of the body where the protein is used, and the causes are infection, trauma, poisoning, and the drugs given for psychosis such as haloperidol and chlorpromazine. And the another one is in Parkinson disease, generating brain cells contain Lewy body, which helps in identifying the disease. Symptoms are tremors starts in the hand, slow movements, which means slowing down or stopping in the middle of tasks such as walking, eating, or shaving. Muscle rigidity or stiffness. In most cases, there is a masked face with little facial expression and decreased eye blinking. Depression, speech changes, handwriting changes, and constipation. And the pathophysiology is the substantia nigra or black substance is one of the principal movement control centers in the brain. By releasing the neurotransmitter dopamine that stimulates motor neuron and is necessary for organized coordinated movement and maintenance of normal muscle tone. In Parkinson disease is caused by degeneration of nerve cells in the substantia nigra where dopamine is produced and stored. Loss of dopamine causes neurons to uncontrolled firing, enable the people to direct or control movement normally. Diagnosis: there is no definitive test for Parkinson disease. A variety of lab tests are done, like brain scans, blood tests, and x rays. Treatment: there is no permanent cure for Parkinson disease, but we can take the precautionary steps like exercise, nutrition, and physical therapy. Drugs we can take L-dopa or levodopa. Levodopa is the most effective treatment for the symptoms of Parkinson disease. Levodopa is a derivative of dopamine and is converted into dopamine by the brain. Enzyme inhibitors. Dopamine is broken down by several enzyme systems in the brain and elsewhere in the body. Thus, by blocking these enzymes will prolong the effects of dopamine. Dopamine agonist. They stimulates a receptor on the surface of dopaminergic cells. Dopamine agonists are used before levodopa therapy or added to produce the dose of levodopa in the disease. Example are bromocriptine and ropinirole. Anticholinergic drugs, they maintain dopamine balance when the level of dopamine decreases. Surgeries, palidotomy, which can help to cure the Parkinson disease. Next is Alzheimer disease, which is related to the memory or the partial or complete loss of memory. So, Alzheimer disease is the most common form of dementia, neurological disease characterized by loss of mental ability, which is severe enough to interfere with normal activities of daily living. And the causes are: genetic factors are the main causes of Alzheimer disease. In Alzheimer disease, tau protein, which binds and stabilizes parts of the neurons, are chemically changed, which become twisted and tangled and no longer can stabilize the neurons. Amyloid plaques are formed and get deposited in the space between the nerve cells of the brain. Thus, Alzheimer disease destroys neurons of the brain that control memory, including the hippocampus, which controls the short term memory, leading to short term memory failure, hence causes personality disturbances. And the symptoms are: people with Alzheimer disease are depressed and suffer from sleeplessness, poor nutrition, and poor health, initially forgetting where the car key are and progress to if he or she can even drive a car. With the progression, symptoms include inability to perform routine tasks, loss of judgment and personality or behavior changes. In the final stage, the people have severe problems with eating, communicating, and controlling their bladder and bowel function.